Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. This is Musarrat Khan, lecturer at PMDC Girls, Peshawar. Today's lecture is on the topic types of education, and in that I will discuss with you professional education, which is from the second chapter, aims of education. In this topic, I am going to discuss first what is professional education, importance of professional education, and then the different types of professional education, which are engineering, agriculture, medical, education of law, business and commerce, home economics education, teacher training education, computer and information technology education programs. Then I am going to discuss a few questions and MCQs that are important for your board examination and then your assignment. So let's begin with the types of education. We have classified education into two main categories, which are professional education and general education. Now, the education of different areas, subjects, different professions is known as professional education. Now, this education is very important for the progress and development of any society in the world. Why? Because being professional enables a person to get a job and to earn money by different means. The education of engineering, medical, law, trade means buy and sell, commerce, agriculture, computers, information technology, management, home economics, all these are different areas in which people can get professional education and training. So after discussing the importance, let's begin with the different types of professional education. We all know all these basic types of education. The first one to discuss is engineering. Now, engineering education is very important to give people and manpower, or we can say human resources, to different industries and factories to run different machines, to run different you can say computer technology. All these things are important, and therefore the education of engineering is very important for the progress of any society. Then the education of agriculture or farming is very important to give to the people of Pakistan, because as we know that Pakistan is an agricultural country and many people here have adopted the profession of farmers. They cultivate their land, they do farming on their land, and they earn their livelihood or their money by this profession. So to give them education of all the new techniques and technologies and ways of yielding big profit is very important. Why? Because the farmers here have adopted old techniques and ways of farming, and by the education of agriculture we can help them to get more profit in their farming and agriculture. Medical education is very important for the progress of a healthy and disease-free society, because obviously doctors and nurses and paramedical staff, pharmacies are very important, because being humans we know that we all face different kinds of diseases and infections certain times, and therefore to get education of medicine and medical education is very important to have a healthy living, a peaceful life. Therefore, medical education is very important for the growth of a society. Then there are different colleges which are giving this medical education after the degree of FSC or intermediate to the different students. Then training to different nurses and training to paramedical staff is also given by different institutions in the country. Education of law obviously is very important to keep law and order and rules and regulations in the country, because obviously every society is built up upon certain principles and rules and regulations which the citizens of the country have to follow. Otherwise it will not be a society, it will be animals living in a world. So education of law is very important. Then the first degree in law is called LLB, and it takes 3 years to complete. And then the graduates in law programs are offered different jobs of lawyers, magistrates and judges in the courts. Then another area of education is business and commerce, and nowadays the education of business and commerce is getting popular among the fresh candidates and fresh students, and the students can get admissions to these programs after completing their FA or intermediate in art subject. Then the degrees of commerce, the students who are having degrees in commerce and business programs are offered different jobs in banking, industries, factories and different organizations. Another area of education is home economics, and we know by the name that this education is basically for females. It's not that males cannot get this education, males are also welcome to have this education, but preferably more female get this education. And there are different colleges across the whole country which are providing education of home economics to people, and this education is up to PhD level. So after getting degree in this education, the students get expert in cooking, stitching and different other home chores, child rearing and interior designing. So that's why this education is basically designed for the females to become good wives, good mothers and good housekeepers. Then another very important field of education is teacher training. After getting degree of any, you can say, field or area, for example FSc, BSc or MA, if a person wants to adopt the profession of being a teacher, nowadays it's becoming very important to first get training of teaching. Why? Because in this way a person is better able to use better teaching techniques and to organize all the educational processes in a better way. That's why this education program of teacher training is becoming very famous and popular among the students. Then the students can get admission into these different programs of teacher training even after their intermediate or bachelor's level. Now this is the last but not the least, because it's the most important field or area of education nowadays, because computers have grabbed the whole world, and we know that information technology is getting bigger and bigger, the areas of information technology. That's why the education of computer and information technology has become a necessity for the whole world, because for progress and growth now we have to become, you can say, experts in computers, and the demand of computer experts has grown many folds, and therefore different universities, different colleges are offering various programs, diplomas and different degrees in computer programs, and people who are having different degrees in computer programs or information technology programs are getting better jobs and earning much better in their lives. Now a few MCQs and questions that are important. Write a note on the importance of professional education for the development of a society. Then MCQs. First degree in law is called LLB, which takes 3 years to complete. Then home economics education is designed for females. Students can get admission to medical college after FSc. Now time for your assignment. You have to write a brief note on the role of professional education in the development of a society. I hope this lecture helped in the understanding of importance of professional education in the development of a society. If you have any questions, you can ask me through this email address or WhatsApp number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.